Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby daisy day today. I've been doing some sale shopping. Yes. Oh, I've got some stuff here to open with you and tell you all about what I got and where I got it. It does include a little bit of luxury. I am sitting on the floor in the corner of my studio office thing. The painter came round today to have a look. It'll take a day to do my room. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, no problemo. He'll do it in about 4 weeks. So I'm going to have to work something out for the in-betweeny phase, but this is where we're at today. So I can see my ring light is showing on the side there, on the sidewall, and my shadow is there, so I hope it's not too distracting. Right, so I have bought sale items from 3 places. Count them, 1, 2, 3 places. They're all online orders. I've got pieces from John Lewis. I have got things from Harrods, and I have got something from Versace, for which I am in a huge amount of trouble. Huge amount of trouble, and I was also heavily influenced to buy. So we'll start with what I've already opened. This is from John Lewis. This is Barbour International. I live in the countryside now, so I need to wear Barbour. These are slippers, but they're not just any kind of slippers. They're pretty mega slippers. These slippers were in the actual sale, and they're kind of, I think UGG did some slippers like this, where it had the little heel strap there. It's Barbour International written on the heel strap. They are open toe, because I get hot feet, and yes, I know I've only just recently unboxed a pair of slippers, cheap and cheerful ones. I did say I was going to destroy them pretty quickly. I picked up these ones from John Lewis. These are from the Any Day range, and these were cheap as chips, 20 quid. 20 quid for a pair of slippers. They are faux sheepskin. And I know I'm going to kill these pretty quickly. And yes, I have destroyed them pretty quickly. So these ones, they've got a bit of a platform. They've got a decent sole on them, and so I can use them to, I can wear them when I take out the bins and everything. And they are faux fur, and they are black, and I think they're really very cool. These were recommended retail price of 60 great British pounds, and I paid 25 quid for them. There is a kind of funny smell coming off them, a little bit. There's a bit of a chemically smell, and I'm trying to work out if that is the sole, or if it's the sole, or if it's the faux fur. Anyway, the lion laughed when he saw these. I don't know why. I think they're rather fab. Next up we have Harrods pieces, and I just want to say that this is not a selection of sale items from Harrods, but they do a 10% off for all Harrods Rewards members. I am a Harrods Reward member. I am racking up those points with my purchases. I've now got 165 quid racked up that I can use to buy whatever I want to buy, or put towards whatever I want to buy there. So it is absolutely worth signing up for it. Not only do I have £165, but our last visit with the lion used my rewards card when he bought my peekaboo. It jumped me up to, I skipped a level and I'm now black tier level, and that gives you all sorts of goodies and perks and things. But one of the things that I'm really excited about is I can nominate 2 days a year where I will get 10% off. Now, it won't work on every single brand. It doesn't work on Fendi, I know that much. It doesn't work on Louis Vuitton because they never partake in anything like that. But I have done a little bit of testing online, dropping things into my basket. And do you know what? Loewe falls into that category, so you could get 10% off. Right, let's get into this box. I will leave a link down below in the description. Oh, I might even pin a comment with a link in it, so you can go and check out the Harrods Rewards programme. They ship internationally as well, so I don't know how I'm supposed to be opening this box. Please tear here. I'm just going for it. So definitely worth checking out, even if you're not based in the UK. I'm mostly in. So I bought 3 things from Harrods and they all qualified for the 10% off. I got my Lancome Gel Eclat face wash. I have been using the S-Bar one that I showed you. It was one of my homemade advent calendar unboxings, entries. Words, they fail me. But it was one of my homemade advent calendar pieces, and it is, I did say at the time that it was really, really light. I was finding this one a little bit harsh, so it's really, really light, but it is so light, it is almost like it is an evening only wash. So I have reordered my Old Faithful, my usual Lancome Gel Eclat, and I will start using this in the morning again. Right. I have also got myself some Brazilian bum bum cream. I don't think it's supposed to be pronounced bum bum cream, but I call it bum bum cream. I bought some of this for my mum for her birthday a few years ago. I can't remember which birthday it was, but it was pronounced bum bum. That's what it says under the lid. Pronounced boom boom. This will make your heart go boom boom. We love our bodies and our planet. This box is recyclable, processed chlorine free and commercially compostable. That's lovely stuff. Here's the jar. So I bought this for my mum years ago. Always wanted to try it. Completely forgot about it. Came up as a recommended product when I was in Harrods online having a look around. And again, it was part of that 10% promotion. Oh, it smells good. It smells like a pina colada or something. Yes. Oh, have I got enough hands? So, this is just a body cream. And although it's in a jar and it looks quite thick, oh, it's delicious. It goes on really lightly. It's got a little bit, covered in cream. Oh yeah, that is delicious. Oh yes, 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 please. Yes, please, yes, please. A boom boom, indeed. It looks really thick. It looks really, really thick. But it goes on beautifully smoothly and it sinks in beautifully. And that's obviously been kicked around the place a little bit on while being delivered. Where possible, I will have links to things down below. My last thing was Diptyque. Now Diptyque doesn't really go on sale as far as I've seen, but again it fell under that 10% Harrods Rewards members promotion. So I went for another candle because I wanted to have 2 Diptyque candles for my 2 Diptyque candle toppers, and the lion wasn't so keen on bay. He says it smells like paint. So I've gone for another fragrance. This is, oh gosh, how do you pronounce that? Opopanax. Hopefully it'll be written in a slightly more legible way inside the box, because I think these names are put on here like this, so it's a if you know case, and if you don't, well then maybe it's not for you, darling. Never really used to understand what the fuss was about with Diptyque candles, but they are very stylish, they are very scented, and I like that. This one, I believe it said on the product page, was the scents were used by the Egyptians. That is delicious. I'm looking forward to lighting that one up. We have success, and the candle smells divine. So those are my Harrods purchases. I'm going to get into Versace in a second, but I completely forgot to say, hello, if you're new here, my name is Gwenny, and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, like this, then please go ahead, join us. Go on, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Right, Versace. Versace. I am in so much trouble. Honestly, I cannot tell you. I told the husband, the lion, I bought something from Versace in the sale. He was like, oh, here we go. He was like, how much was it? I was like, it wasn't expensive at all. Really wasn't expensive. And he said, well, what was it then? What was it? Some various bits there. Little envelope. Did I write myself a message? I wrote myself a message. How cute am I? It says, happy 2023. XOXO. I am such an idiot. I'm aware. I am aware. It's not lost on me. I know I'm an idiot. Receipts and box. Now you may be looking at this box and thinking, this looks familiar, Gwenny. Didn't you just buy a scarf from them? Yes, I did, in their pre-Christmas sale. This isn't a scarf. And that is why I'm in trouble. Let's have a look. Ooh. And when I say I was heavily influenced, I had my eyes on these for a while, forgot about them. And then I saw that Autumn Beckman had sent a pair of these. A pair of these socks to the lovely, delightful Devon of Devon Christopher. I'll have both of their channels linked down below. You know the drill. Go and check them out. Autumn sent Devon a pair of these tube socks with Versace on the top. And it reminded me that I really wanted a pair. Now these were half price, they were £40. And when I told the lion what I bought for 40 quid, he said, you better be joking. And I was like, and then when the package arrived, he said, what's in that then? I said, you don't want to know. So yes, I'm in a lot of trouble for these, but look. Perfect with my cashmere, be perfect with my tracky sets, be perfect with some new trainers that I bought but I haven't shown you yet, and they're just brilliant. They're exactly what I wanted, and it's been really cold again today. It's going to be cold again for the next few days, so ideal for that. Edit Gwenny here. I have just done the mod shots with these socks. They are so ridiculously comfortable. So ridiculously comfortable. They're quite thick and they feel like they've got little bands to hold them in place on you. They're absolutely delightful. Those are my things that I picked up in the sale. I did not pay full price for any one of these. Don't forget to go and check out the Harrods link in my description down below. What did you pick up in the sales? Tell me everything in the comments section. And until I see you, I'm so excited. I can't wait to put these. I hope he's forgotten about these again. I hope he's forgotten about these. I'm going to put them on. I'm going to run downstairs and see what he says. Let me know what you picked up in the sales. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye.